Go around the raw, I say. I'm Mama Seta. I should want vibrations, every bucka. May your mind, buckas, and souls be old. May your omits be sound. May your buckas be living off ground. When we keep to the breath, to the earth, to the mouth, or to the seon. The soul of Ra guides and keeps you old. Ayanma, I Ezra, Ela Ise, El Se, I, Christ Ore, Chaplain, Tata, Amin Ra. I am truth awareness, true talk. Can be a part of the greatest transfer of Ma'el, that's intelligence, Samanology, TaOnGoDo. This is sound logic. And with all that being offered to you, being a fool is absolutely your choice. To raise Ray 1840. Go to Google, go to Apple, download that Kagadora app. Go to Jesus.com, sign up. Be a part of the Rise Ra. When you sign up, you get your TaOnGoDo Omordo download. It replaces all your prayers, gets you suited, gets you armed, gets you ready to pursue a sound mind to reclaim your soul. You get access to directionary.com because the words of the dictionary die your erection. Get off of limp mode. Get into erect mode. Go to directionary.com. You got to sign up. Be a member of Jesus.com, though. This is an ecosystem. We're not looking to educate parasites. We're looking to elevate souls. With the TaOnGoDo, because we speak motion. Don't forget your mental health is all tied to your etheric compass. If you are not tethered to sound, well, that's why your head can't get from out of the ground. You got to re-tether yourself to Ba'am. Sound, logic, solarization, this is what we do. Don't forget, my thoughts are the spores that spawns intelligence. TaOnGoDo.org. I don't consent to draconian state, nor should you. Hashtag that in your posts. Somebody comment. Somebody sent me a private message. Think about this as therapy, and I want to know why. Why? Why is it hard for you? What do you feel? What does your mind tell you is going to happen? What consequence are you in fear of? Where you can hashtag I don't consent to draconian state. RaEdi. I have RaEdi. I don't have pride. This is the next TaOnGoDo card. The Bakuman cards are building. We're getting close to a full deck. Well, I can set it at any size I want. I was thinking of having 8 card packs. You know, like you go into a store and you buy a Pokemon pack. And they're in those kind of foilish type of packaging. Like that wrapping type of packaging opposed from the box type. Well, I was thinking of doing something like that with 8 card sets, 17 card sets. I am not too sure, but your support is required for us to elevate. So get to Jesus.com, buy into what I am visioning, both with your behaviors and, of course, your monetary support is required for us to build, because there's materials that Draco controls and he requires money. All right, so there's a lot of things from my websites, upgrading, apps, just I got the plan, I got the vision. You just need the will. Okay? You need will. RaEdi. What do you see there? You see a Baka with his PMLSS jersey on, because we're cross-marketing within our posts. That's the Paranormal Mirror League sports simulation. Give your team a sound spirit, because sports is religion. And so you have a Baka. He's Ma'el on ated not melanated. Ma'el-on. There's a difference, people. There's a difference. He's got the red Ra Seon behind him. His trophy's got the red Ra on it. He's sitting atop the podium. He doesn't have pride, because pride's a parasite ride. We learned that in the last card. Well, this is the TaOnGoDo version. Okay, this is the mirror flip. The RaEdi. That's Ra added to your soul, man. Okay? The definition. RaEdi celebrates an expression of gratitude for genetic elements of Ra being added to its being. Ra provides intelligence that sustains all aspects of soul Ra life forms. A parasite application cannot augment an intact baka in the state of RaEdi. RaEdi is a Ra soul added, sowing the soil to erect sound life, innovating evolution, rising above all mental and physical self-expressions, are beings who possess RaEdi. A soul celebrates RaEdi, while a parasite body can only experience pride. The TaOnGoDo. The Ra equals radiance. The Ed equals to add. The I is soul man, the baka. The English is pride. That's the opposing word in English. It's pride. Pride is a mental application that allows the parasite spirit to maintain its possession of the body. When a baka is in the state of RaEdi, or RaEdi, a parasite cannot offer application for augmentations. And there you have it. A new card entered. We're growing. I'm going to be trying to be very consistent. I have a lot of different things going on. One person with a little bit of support that's growing. Appreciate TaOnGoDo. We need more people. We need more bakas, because this is it. All right, we're running out of time. You've been all warned, and just because they're not constantly coming at you with bad news doesn't mean you don't have anything to worry about. Everything is still the same. Get your spirit animal into squirrel mode and start looking for nuts to pack away. This is True Talk Sound Logic, Jesus.com. Get it, join it, help out. Let's grow, let's elevate. It's up to us. We are RaEdi.